this is Pallavi. Hello, how are you? Hi Sandeep. Hi Sandhya. Hi Badal. Hi Khurshid. Hi Lakshay. Hi Ragi. 6,000 people have joined today. It's a Navratra season, so I understand that we all are busy in the festivities. Number is steadily increasing. So even I had went to the pandal and had the prasad. Okay, pandal hopping. So yes, I think that's a great weekend because it's Navratra. So I guess all of you must have been eating a lot and moving around and looking at different idols of the deity Durga deity. So yeah, and today's topic, okay, why do some people want rough or painful sex? Yeah, yes. So I think that's the topic we're going to discuss. Is basically, see, in real life we avoid sex, okay, and sorry, we avoid pain. Now the thing is, no one wants pain. I mean, if you were said in the other situation that would you like to have pain, and you will say no, I won't like to have pain. But then in terms of sex, actually it is a contradiction that a lot of people enjoy having some kind of pain in the sex. तो ये चीज़ है कि आज हम just a second, yes. So I think this is what we are going to discuss, is how come something that is we try to avoid in our own like normal life, we actually want the same experience when it comes to sex. तो इसकी आज हम बात करेंगे, okay, and is sexual life effect on weight gain and mind? Okay, so let's keep it to the topic, okay guys. So yeah, see, pain and pleasure in human sexuality, these are the polarities. Polarity का मतलब होता है कि opposite. Okay, pain is just opposite to pleasure. I mean, when you say pleasure, it's like, ooh, yeah, and when it comes to pain, you make, oh god, तो दोनों का रिएक्शन ही बिल्कुल वो होता है, अलग होता है, एंड हेंस इट इज़ कॉल्ड पोलैरिटी. बट व्हाट हैपन्स, सेक्स में जो होता है, पोलैरिटी का प्ले बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होता है, like opposites का play. So when you say a man is dominant, a woman is submissive, do you really think that two dominant will make up for a good sex? No, it doesn't matter if the man is dominant or the woman is dominant, but dominant submissive का जो एक play होता है sex में, that makes it interesting. I mean, imagine two people are like actually fighting to be on top of each other. So one has to be on the bottom and one has to be on the top, and that top bottom could be a dominant submissive role. So definitely sex में जो होता है, polarity is the key, okay, be it a male female, masculine feminine, or even pain and pleasure is also polarity. तो जैसे हम कहते हैं शिवा एंड शक्ति, तंत्र में we actually denote polarity by the deity goddess. So Shiva and Shakti is the polarity. Similarly, coming to this topic, pain and pleasure is the polarity. Two opposite forces, but again complementary to each other when it comes to sex. And it is quite complex. I mean, it's not very easy to understand what makes us want pain in sex. But we will try to delve in the topic. So the quiz is about to start, guys. Please join the quiz, answer questions, get yourself more fitness aware and win points. Hi Ragi, hi Sandhya, hi Pavan, hi Arun, hi Sidhu, hi Major Jitendra Singh Chauhan. I mean, a big salute to you. So I really have a very high regard for army men. So thank you so much for protecting our country. Hi Zikra, hi Rahul, hi Asif, hi Sidhu again. So hi Rekha, hi Madhu. Glad to see women joining up. I always tell this is a woman taking up the session, so more and more women should join. So all you women, please inform your friends, tell them about this show, because it's very important to talk about it, and there are not many people in India who talk about it. स्पेशली वेमेन। तो थोड़ा मैं क्रेडिट अपने उस पे ले रही हूँ कंधों पे ले रही हूँ, बट यू नो दैट्स अगेन ऑन लाइटर नोट, बट येस प्लीज़ डू make aware your friends because they will benefit a lot. You know, a lot of times we get into sexual experience where we don't even get the pleasure, or maybe you know, we want something more, or we are even in a wrong kind of sexual relationship and हमें पता नहीं तो हम बात कैसे करें. So I think this show is a taboo breaker. It's a breakthrough when it comes to the space of sexuality. There is a discussion happening. I'm taking and I'm trying it, you know, my making it best effort to make sure that subject is relatable. I'm not talking about, you know, Mars or some gyan. It's something that is relatable, that's easier to understand. तो इसका हम मतलब वो हमने अपनी तरफ से मैं प्रयास कर रही हूँ, बट प्लीज़ you please you know, actually make it a success, make it a wider success by letting more and more people know about it कि एक शो एग्जिस्ट करता है सेक्सुअलिटी थीम पे. ओके, हाय विजय, हाय सुरेश, हाय रितेश, हाय परिधि. तो क्विज ख़त्म होने वाला है थोड़ी देर में, तो हम बताएंगे, बात करेंगे कि क्यों पेन एंड प्लेजर लिंक्ड होता है. सो बेसिकली लव, सेक्स, पेन एंड वायलेंस. ओके, love, sex, pain and violence all lead to release of similar chemicals and hormones in the body. Okay, so love, sex, pain and violence all lead to almost similar kind of release of hormones in the body. Remember, it's all about hormones. Okay, so endorphins होते हैं. Endorphins are a type of hormones that get released in painful experiences, and endorphins, most of us know that are pleasurable hormones and they get released in painful experiences. Then stress and pain can also cause release of serotonin and melatonin. Okay, serotonin and melatonin, which transforms you know, painful experience in pleasure. Okay, तो समराइजिंग अगेन कि जो आपका जो पेनफुल एक्सपीरियंस है, इट इज़ लीडिंग टू द, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द टाइप ऑफ हार्मोन्स बिकॉज वी रियली डोंट वांट टू नो दैट सेरोटोनिन है या फिर मेलाटोनिन है या फिर एंडोर्फिन. आई मीन, लीव द नेम ऑफ द हार्मोन, बट द थिंग इज दैट पेनफुल एक्सपीरियंसेस कैन लीड टू रिलीज ऑफ हार्मोन्स दैट फील प्लेजरेबल इन द बॉडी. एंडोर्फिन, सेरोटोनिन एंड मेलाटोनिन. ओके, so these okay, so yes, the quiz has got over, so let's see the scores. Share the scores please. let's see क्या scores क्या आ रहे हैं. बताएं ज़रा, बताएं. Guys, we are waiting. 22,000 people have joined today, so I guess a lot of people have also attended the quiz. Let's just share, no, celebrate. फिर फुल मार्क्स आते हैं तो स्कूल में अच्छा लगता है ना, तो गो की फुल मार्क्स किसको आए हैं. लेट्स चेक. कम ऑन, लेट्स वी आर जस्ट रनिंग आउट ऑफ टाइम. ओके, रितेश, थैंक यू सो मच. हाय अली, ग्रेट. अजय, साकेत, 50th, great feat, amazing feat. Ankita, great Ankita, congratulations. No worries Mahesh, it's also about the attempt. You made an attempt. Okay. हाँ, संदीप जी ने शायरी कर दी, बहुत अच्छी शायरी लगी है और मैसेज भी बिल्कुल सही गया है. So okay, lovely. 50 with apple, not bad Yogesh, at least you got the final result full. Okay, तो चलो ठीक है. आई एम हैप्पी टू नो दैट आवर यूजर्स आर ऑलवेज रॉकिंग एज एवर. तो अब हम बात करना था हमें, जो हम बात कर रहे थे कि वाई पेन इज प्लेजरेबल. ओके, वाई पेन इज प्लेजरेबल. सो फर्स्ट थिंग इज टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट पेनफुल एक्सपीरियंस कैन लीड टू रिलीज ऑफ हार्मोन्स दैट फील प्लेजरेबल. तो एक पेनफुल एक्सपीरियंस से, सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ पेनफुल एक्सपीरियंस, आई एम गोइंग टू कम एंड elaborate on what kind of painful experience, but it is seen that in a certain kind of painful experience बेसिकली प्लेजर हॉर्मोन्स गेट रिलीज विच इज कॉल्ड एंडोफिन होते हैं, एक तरह के हॉर्मोन्स होते हैं, सेरोटोनिन होते हैं और मेलाटोनिन होता है. देन ऑल्सो एपिनेफ्रिन एंड नॉर एपिनेफ्रिन कैन लीड टू प्लेजरेबल रश. तो 5 हॉर्मोन्स एंड देयर आर मल्टीपल मोर सच हॉर्मोन्स. ओके, सो दिस इज अबाउट कि ऐसे हॉर्मोन्स रिलीज होते हैं. नाउ इफ यू विल रिमेंबर, ओके, यू माइट हैव, मोस्ट ऑफ अस हैव रेड 50 शेड्स ऑफ ग्रे. तो 50 शेड्स ऑफ ग्रे था बाय E.L. जेम्स. E.L. जेम्स was a writer, she was a writer, and it has sold millions of copies across the world. And you will be amazed to know that women were the ones who were actually purchasing it. Strangely enough, that women were the, most of the readers were women. So 50 Shades of Grey has shown an overlap of pain and pleasure. Okay, now this is a mystery. This is really a mystery for most of us कि overlap of pain and pleasure कैसे हो सकता है. And see, even though we have a lot of people, there are BDSM communities. So BDSM is all about pain with pleasure. I mean, it is the basis, the underlying concept is that only. तो BDSM communities भी हैं, online communities हैं, BDSM clubs भी हैं. A lot of people practice BDSM, but there is a lot of stigma and unwanted attention attached to people who say that okay, we like BDSM, we are into BDSM lifestyle. तो ये बहुत ही hidden है. No one is going to come out in the open and say okay, I am a dom or I am a submissive or I am a dominatrix. तो ये चीज़ें जो हैं कि हम कोई भी, क्योंकि टैबू इतना ज़्यादा है, सेक्स पे तो टैबू है ही, और BDSM जो है वो सेक्स से भी एक लेवल ऊपर है. लाइक वी आर नॉट इवन एबल टू एक्सेप्ट द marriage level of sex between a couple legally married to each other. उनका तो हम सेक्स का लेवल एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं क्योंकि a married couple can enjoy sex or our parents can enjoy sex, right? We can't even go to that level, and can we accept BDSM publicly, openly? So the thing is, there is a lot of stigma, and hence most of us are left wondering कि क्या होता है, कैसे होना चाहिए, BDSM में क्या है. बहुत सारे लोग तो BDSM जानते भी नहीं हैं, तो क्या ट्राई कर सकते हैं. सो सी, डेफिनेटली it exists. Pain with pleasure, BDSM lifestyle exists. So let's also initiate into how we can actually understand pain leads to pleasure, and then how we can actually try it, how we can incorporate that lifestyle. Some basic steps I will explain. So now I'm talking about pain, pleasure. Now understand that sexual pain can also happen because of health related reasons. तो vaginismus होता है, some infection in vulva or vagina, or some infection in penis or testicle. These are health related issues, and if you are actually experiencing painful sensation because of those health related issues, please go and see a healthcare professional. तो एक ये अंतर समझिए कि unless the person is interested in pain, okay, there is it's a wedding night, okay, सुहाग रात है, और there is a virgin bride who is having sex for the first time, and she has by chance she has this compact hymen. Now she is facing pain, and if the husband is saying no, pain is with pleasure, तो वो नहीं है. It has to be outrightly communicated by the person that yes, I want this pain. Okay, the person should be specifically interested in experiencing pain as a form of sexual gratification. There has to be explicit, clear interest of the person. अब कोई पर्सन है जिसको कोई इन्फेक्शन हो रखा है, जैसे या कोई वेजिनिस्मस का प्रॉब्लम होता है कि ड्राई वेजाइना होता है, नॉट लुब्रिकेटेड वेजाइना होता है, दैट एक्चुअली मेक्स इट वेरी पेनफुल फॉर द वुमेन, एंड इवन अ मैन could have some infection or injuries in his penis or testicles. Now if the person experiencing pain, that is not pain with pleasure, so you need to get checked about the unwanted pain. So pain should be wanted, unwanted pain cannot lead to pleasure. That's the clear difference. Okay, now so like I said that pain and pleasure can activate same neural mechanism in the brain, same hormones release, same neural mechanisms. मतलब brain में जो भी trigger होता है, it's actually driven by like both of these, pain and pleasure are driven by the दे ड्राइव बेसिकली द सेम न्यूरल मैकेनिज्म्स इन ब्रेन. तो जो भी ब्रेन में कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं, ट्रिगर्स होते हैं, तो पेन एंड प्लेजर सेम न्यूरल मैकेनिज्म होता है. आइडिया इज दे लीड टू अ सिमिलर रिस्पॉन्स, पेन एंड प्लेजर. Then pain and pleasure are also linked to dopamine release. So dopamine system hota hai, dopamine is a hormone which is again a pleasure hormone. So pain and pleasure also lead to dopamine release, and it triggers a motivation and reward behavior in the brain. Pain and pleasure, जैसे कहते हैं ना, सफलता मिली तो बहुत त्याग से मिली, बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ी, तो वो पेन तो होता ही है मेहनत में. मतलब इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट सेक्स. यू एक्चुअली हियर दैट ओके, समटाइम्स पीपल एक्चुअली टॉक अबाउट देयर पेन विद प्राइड कि मैंने इतनी मेहनत की, मैंने इतनी तकलीफ उठाई, तो मुझे आज ये मिला. तो वो पेन से दे आर गेटिंग प्लेजर एट दैट पर्टिकुलर मोमेंट. सो सिमिलरली it is seen that pain and pleasure can lead to activation of certain reward and motivation driven behaviors that can also come from eating, drinking and sex, of course. Okay, now it's like I said, it's very complex. It is complex psychologically to understand. So one thing I have to again bring, so first thing I made it clear that it cannot be unwanted pain, like it cannot be from sexual pain, from an infection or vaginismus. That's the first thing, that it cannot be unwanted pain or pain from a health related reason. The second thing is to understand that the context of getting pain. Okay, so it can depend on the context in which you are getting pain. तो context ऐसा होता है कि suppose you are like cooking food in the kitchen and you just slit your finger with a knife. Okay, now you would not get pleasure out of it. Or maybe you are actually, God forbid, मतलब someone is operated, someone had a surgery, someone had an incision in their the belly. So will they derive pleasure from pain? No, it's not, because the context is different. Now understand, there is a different context where the person is also experiencing positive emotions. So if someone is having sex with a trusted partner, basically you are experiencing both the positive emotions as well as pain. तो क्या होता है कि positive emotions can actually blunt the sensations of pain. तो अगर आप सेक्स में क्या होता है कि there is pleasure also and there is pain also. तो जब दोनों चीज़ें साथ साथ चल रही हैं, pleasure भी चल रहा है, pain भी चल रहा है, तो pleasure actually blunts the sensation of pain. Okay, rather than straight painful stimuli, like I said, cutting the finger from a knife, that's a straight painful stimuli. But unlike that, in sex we have both positive emotions and painful emotions. So basically positive emotions can actually fade away the painful emotions if you are experiencing both. वो होता है. Okay, so that's one more reason why pain can feel pleasurable. Another reason for engaging in painful experiences is because pain actually acts as escapism मतलब escape करना, reality escape करना. Because if you focus attention on the present moment, कि अगर आप present moment में you are indulging in sexually or any other activity, maybe you are just stressed out about something, then that actually takes away your attention from the abstract high level issues in your life. Okay, it facilitates a temporary relief or escape from the burdens and responsibilities of adulthood. तो क्या होता है, हमारी लाइफ में बहुत सारे हमने फसाद किए हुए हैं. ओके, बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट करते हैं हम अपनी लाइफ में, फाइनेंशियल, मैरिटल, health related problems. So when we actually get into some short term sexual act and we experience pain, it actually serves to distract our focus from the larger problems in the life. Like I said, burdens and responsibilities of adulthood, कि भाई इतनी सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज एडल्टहुड की. दिस इज अ टेम्पररी एस्केप, दिस इज अ टेम्पररी रिलीफ, बिकॉज नाउ आई एम फोकस्ड ऑन दिस शॉर्ट पेन. सो आई एम एक्चुअली फॉरगेटन दैट देयर इज सम पार्ट ऑफ माई लाइफ दैट इज एम्प्यूटेटेड. ओके, तो वो डिस्ट्रैक्शन भी होता है कई बार, तो उससे भी लोगों को अच्छा लगता है. So I think in one of the studies, a BDSM participant said that it helps you break away from the real world. Okay, you give yourself a freaking break. Okay, so that's something. Let's see the questions. BDSM is actually good, gets to know. Of course, Ashank. So you are right, definitely. it is all about experimentation, but done in the right manner. I repeat, done in the right manner. There are a lot of things that need to be taken care of in BDSM, otherwise it can actually become a nightmare. So please, if you are trying BDSM, please first get the complete knowledge. Some of this crucial knowledge I am going to share, but please keep reading, read some good books. Don't go by movies, कैसा दिखाता है ऐसा दिखाता है. It depends on the person to person. Okay, so that's again that's one of the reasons that why people actually like rough or painful sex, because it serves as a temporary escape, temporary relief from the larger responsibilities, larger burdens of the adulthood. Now there is one more reason why people would like pleasure in pain, is basically because it also imitates the safety and protection of the childhood. So in a BDSM play, there is a submissive and there is a dominant. Okay, so now the submissive in the control of a strong under the power of a strong controlling presence of a partner. So there are two people. Okay, one is submissive and one is dominant. Now the submissive, who is under the control of the dominant, can actually relate it to their childhood, which is like all about safety, protection, being led away, being directed. So it seems as a comforted, okay, I don't have to do everything, it is someone who is guiding me, someone who is helping me. So they actually derive satisfaction by earning the approval of that figure. जैसे बचपन में हम कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें करते थे जो हम अपने पेरेंट्स को खुश करने के लिए करते थे. अच्छे मार्क्स आए तो अच्छा पापा खुश होंगे या मम्मी खुश होगी. सो वी वुड ऑलवेज गो बाय दैट अप्रूवल, दैट ओके आई एम अ गुड बॉय, आई एम अ गुड गर्ल बिकॉज माई पेरेंट्स थिंक सो. A lot of times we used to do certain things to please our parents. So similarly, taking that same element of thought into the BDSM act, we actually the controlling partner and the submissive partner is actually getting a lot of pleasure by yielding into the power of the dominant person, and they actually feel very happy when they earn the approval. That dominant person is saying okay ये करो तो वो ये करेंगे, so they will be like very happy कि हाँ they have earned the approval. तो वो एक connect होता है. So then the dominant person can actually enjoy from the role of power and authority. Okay, तो उनके लिए दूसरा होता है कि power and authority का जो उनको मिलता है, kick मिलता है, drive मिलता है, that is something that gives them pleasure. Now side effect हो सकता है इसका, side effect भी होता है. Side effect क्या होता है कि people can actually have some depression after engaging in a rough play, because it's more like it's coming from a peak experience to the like normal experience, so that actually can lead to some depression or not so good feelings. Because जैसे मैंने कहा था कि पेन जो होता है वो एक साइकोलॉजिकल रिस्पाइट होता है. ओके, इन द मोमेंट लाइक यू एक्चुअली फॉरगेट ऑल योर bad problems and you just focus on that small amount of pain. तो जैसे वो ख़त्म होता है, you again back to the normal world, you again seeing everything. That actually makes some people not very much happy, and this is not where boundaries are not respected. This is something even boundaries are respected, every proper caution has been taken, and still they feel somewhere some kind of depression, some kind of sadness. तो उसके लिए क्या करना है कि after there has to be proper aftercare, there has to be proper plan of aftercare. कि once you have finished the act where there is a pain and there is a pleasure, I mean there is a pain certainly, you have to have a proper aftercare. You can't just leave your partner like that. You have to have something like maybe any kind of aftercare, like hugging, cuddling, like patting the hair, टॉकिंग सॉफ्ट वर्ड्स. तो कुछ एक प्रॉपर प्लान होना चाहिए आफ्टर केयर का. नेवर लीव देम इन अ जिफी कि चलो हो गया ख़त्म करो. नो, इट हैज़ टू बी लाइक ट्रांजिशन, अदरवाइज द पर्सन मे फील सैड एंड मे फील डिप्रेस. तो वो एक ध्यान रखिए, प्रॉपर प्लानिंग ऑफ आफ्टर केयर होना चाहिए. नाउ द सेकेंड इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, नाउ लाइक वी अंडरस्टैंड ओके we can get pain and pleasure. Okay, we can get pleasure from pain. That is something that we have understood so far. Let's talk about some of the cautions, some of the precautions, some of the things to note. So first thing, like I said, that proper planning of aftercare होना चाहिए after the act has finished. Proper planning of aftercare, that's the first thing. Second thing is consent. Consent has to be very, very clear, enthusiastic, एक्सप्लिसिट। तो कंसेंट का मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि एब्सेंस ऑफ नो मीन्स येस, नो, येस मीन्स येस। Unless the person has said yes and willingly, enthusiastically, then please don't take it as a yes. Like if they are not saying anything, consider it as a no. Okay, तो explicit and enthusiastic consent होना चाहिए and there has to be a safe word. safe word का मतलब जब आप कुछ ऐसा experiment कर रहे हो, there has to be a safe word like stop, red, not, any word, okay, that you can just say in the moment and the act has to stop with the immediate effect. okay, immediate effect पे act stop होना चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर हम that's the reason that safe word is very very critical. You need to have some safe word and the moment it is uttered you have to stop participating in the act, both the doer and the receiver. okay, that's very important. Let's see some questions. I want to have pain, should have to do things differently, which will get if want to have pain. Sandeep, I'm going to talk about certain acts that you can actually try getting the pain. okay, कैसे pain मिलता है pleasure में, कुछ हम sample acts की बात करेंगे that can actually giving rise to pleasure. Those painful activities, they are like very subtle, very very subtle. That's the beginner level, that's the initiation level, and that is where I keep at it and my personal level. I don't go beyond it. तो वो चीज़ मैं भी कहूँगी कि अभी मुझे भी एक्चुअली आई वोंट टॉक अबाउट द एडवांस BDSM फॉर्म बिकॉज समथिंग दैट इज आई एम नॉट इनटू पर्सनली, बट आई डू अंडरस्टैंड सर्टेन लेवल ऑफ पेन, very very gentle, very very light pain can give to pleasure, and that is something I personally know. So that is where I will keep at it. I will keep you at BDSM beginner level. Let's first see that as a reality कि ठीक है, let's talk more, let's see more. तो चीज़ें हैं कि not just BDSM, you actually have seen that there are a lot of activities, other acts where people derive pleasure from pain, which is like getting tattoos. तो वो जो tattoos होते हैं उससे ही पेन होता है. then warm massage होता है, like hot oil massage होता है, जो warm oil massage होता है. piercing, people actually get pierced. So you can see there are a lot of activities people get done. They include pleasure, they include pain, but they actually get it done because they feel like nice about it. okay, so now let's we have talked about the safety. Consent is very very important. Safety word is important. Understand the partner's level of comfort to take pain, कि मतलब आपको लग रहा है कि वो इतना पेन ले सकते हैं, पर क्या है, constant communication is very important. Some little bit of trying is important before getting into the final act. Like you can actually try. तो जैसे एक hair pulling होता है, तो hair pulling should always be done the full hair, like slightly ऐसे करके. जब एक firm pull होता है, but it should be done for the entire hair and not the single hair, because that will make sure that the hair will not be broken, any single hair. तो hair pulling जो होता है BDSM में होता है especially, but hair should be in the form of ponytail, not the open hair. Ponytail, and you can actually pull the pony and that can be done in the doggy style also. तो ये पहला एक hair pulling होता है, that's a milder pain. Use the entire tuft of hair, never a single hair, entire tuft of hair. And it is particularly when the woman is in doggy style and you can pull the hair from behind. Again comfort is important, her level of comfort is important. So you are pulling the hair and she is not liking it, stop it, don't even do it. But if she says like my personal my personal taste is I like hair pulling little bit, so मेरे लिए चलता है, तो ये चीज़ अगेन आपको देखना पड़ेगा, आपको एक्सप्लोर करना पड़ेगा कि आपके रिलेशनशिप में क्या चलता है. So hair pulling is something, never pull a single hair because it can lead to breaking of the hair. Pull the entire ponytail, the hair is made in the pony, and pull the entire tuft of hair, entire tuft. And again I said like in a doggy style, so that makes minimum damage. कोई damage ही नहीं होता अगर आप ध्यान से करो, like this because the scalp is very sensitive. अगर आपको कभी किसी ने head massage दिया होगा, you actually get a lot of sensations because the scalp is very sensitive. So please be careful, take a feedback from the partner. Are you liking it? Gentle pull, very gentle pull. Are you liking? Yeah, I like it. Slightly more pressure, I'm liking it. Slightly more pressure, oh no, I'm actually, it's a pain, so stop, don't even try, get to that level only, stick to that level only. तो ये एक चीज़ होता है. Then soft restraints. Restrain का मतलब है कि controlling the movement of the person. एंड यू कैन एक्चुअली यूज सॉफ्ट रिस्ट्रेंट्स लाइक स्कार्फ्स जो होते हैं, सिल्क स्कार्फ्स होते हैं, दे आर वेरी सॉफ्ट टू यूज. So you can actually tie the wrist, and that can again be, that has to be consensual. Every BDSM act has to be consensual. So you can tie the hands of the partner consensually if the partner wants it, and then you can actually, you know, touch them the way you like, please them the way you like, pleasure them the way you like. But again, it has to be mutual, so they also want it to be. But the thing is, they can't do anything because now their wrists are tied. But make sure the moment they say stop, open the scarf. तो soft restraints use कर सकते हैं. You know, it restricts their movement on the bed. Okay, and you can actually do so. That's like again little bit of pain. Oh god, my freedom is like encumbered. तो वो एक और BDSM टेक्निक होता है. Making some noise with the spanking again. The keyword is here little bit, because again it would not work for some of the people. So maybe for me, slapping on the butt cheek basically is something that might turn me on if done in a very little bit. तो slapping होता है, spanking होता है. Most people do not enjoy intense pain, definitely not. So don't do it. But yes, if someone wants some gentle slapping on the butt, so it actually turns them on, because the noise is also, you know, it's like a big turn on. जो noise होता है, not even the touch, like जो slap करते हैं ऐसे करके, see, this is a turn on for some people. So you can try, for those of you who are consensual and want to try this, spanking or slapping on the butt. So keyword is little bit. Most people do not enjoy severe pain, so be mindful. Okay, be consensual, take a feedback again and again. Third thing is restricting your partner's senses. तो ये एक पट्टी है, इसको अगर हम ऐसे फोल्ड करके लगाते हैं तो it restricts their sense of sight. Okay, but it also heightens the other senses. तो अगर आप एक सेंस बंद करते हो तो आपके अदर सेंसेस हाइटन होते हैं. लाइक आपका जो है ईयर सुनने का क्षमता हाइटन होगा, फीलिंग ऑफ टच हाइटन होगा. तो ये सब आपका it heightens the other senses if you restrict your one sense. So you can actually use it, you know, a blindfold. You can, you know, tie the blindfold across the partner's eyes so that they don't see, consensually again. And you can actually try that. Now playing the dominant and submissive role. तो डोमिनेंट एंड सबमिसिव रोल में होता है कि वन पर्सन बिकम्स द मास्टर, अदर पर्सन बिकम्स द स्लेव, और यू नो डॉक्टर्स, नर्स, टीचर, स्टूडेंट, बहुत सारे रोल प्लेइंग होते हैं. तो डोमिनेंट सबमिसिव में होता है वन पर्सन इज बीइंग इन द इंचार्ज, ही इज गिविंग द ऑर्डर्स एंड द अदर पर्सन इज ओबेइंग इट. अगेन इट हैज़ टू बी कंसेंशुअल, नथिंग सरप्राइज, नो सरप्राइज कि चलो आज हम ये करते हैं. पहले से डिस्कशन होना बहुत बहुत ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज इट हैज़ टू बी कंसेंशुअल. So get into discussion that okay, what kind of role would you like to play? Doctor, nurse, okay, what nurse will do? Okay, she will come and she's very sweet and doctors like looking, you know, these kind of role play people actually try. So master, slave, okay, get me this, you know, take down your clothes, anything that works for two people. तो role playing कर सकते हैं. And you can bring titles into the game. Title का मतलब है sir, you can call your partner as a sir, or your majesty, or he can call you as a madam. So bringing titles into the game, that is also one of the ways you can actually you know, make it more interesting. Then whenever they break a rule, punishment, you can actually give a small punishment which is like okay, taking away some of their privileges, and then that has to be discussed beforehand कि अगर you know, I want doggy style and you also said doggy style, and then you say no, I don't want doggy style, then in exchange of that no, you have to give me something. So she say okay, I will give you a nice foot massage. So that is like okay, taking away some privileges, and punishment, okay, you have to do now certain things. तो ये एक punishment when the rule is broken. कि एक rule हमने discuss किया, now the rule is not about safety word or consent. There could be some other acts. Okay, so maybe it was like okay, I will blindfold you, but now you're like no, scared, now I don't want blindfold, so now you have to do something else. तो वो एक punishment भी होता है, थोड़ा सा वो interesting होता है BDSM act में. Also like I said, boundaries are important, so please experiment with the level of pain that partner can tolerate before you plunge into the final play of it. तो पहले एक छोटा सा एक्सपेरिमेंट हल्का सा कीजिए. आर यू कंफर्टेबल? इफ you are like, you are casually lying around and say हेयर पुलिंग, इट इज समथिंग इज माई फेवरेट, तो मैं इसको बार बार यूज़ कर रही हूँ इस एग्जाम्पल को। और आपने हल्का सा हेयर पुल किया एंड शी इज लाइक, ओ गॉड आई रियली लाइक इट, सो यू नो दैट ओके, so let's do in the sex also maybe this much, yeah, yes, why not, and then we actually get into sex and we do it because both of us are aware कि we want it. Sudden surprise is no, not recommended. No sudden surprise, it has to be discussed beforehand, it has to be agreed beforehand. Okay, तो ये कुछ चीज़ें हैं. Then trying different kinds of touches, like you can use different objects. Okay, so maybe a hairbrush, you can just like softly, you just brush the, like just lightly scratch the skin surface with the hairbrush. It actually feels, the bristles will feel great against the skin. So feathers or silk scarf, तो ये सब कुछ डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं जिससे ये ट्राई कर सकते हो. टच, सम लाइट रफ टच. So bristle, the hairbrush with the bristle is an example of slightly rough touch. So some people would actually want get hot and cold, sensation. So maybe the partner can sip hot tea and then kissing you with the warm mouth, or they can actually have a ice cube in their mouth and they can actually kiss you from the ice cube. So वो कॉन्ट्रास्ट जो होता है, हॉट एंड कोल्ड का कॉन्ट्रास्ट होता है, वो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है कुछ लोगों के लिए. आई मीन सम पीपल एक्चुअली लाइक द कॉन्ट्रास्ट ऑफ हॉट एंड कोल्ड. सो थैंक यू संदीप. सो थैंक यू सो मच गाइज. आई रियली ट्राई टू कवर फ्यू थिंग्स. जो हमने लास्ट में कुछ चीज़ें बताई हैं, जो एक्ट्स हैं, यू कैन एक्चुअली ट्राई एट होम कंसेंशुअली. फीडबैक टेकन, फीडबैक बीइंग रिसीव्ड, enthusiastic and explicit consent, safety word, consent. Okay, so ये important है. So on this note I'm taking a leave, saying you good night for today, and we will meet again tomorrow and with a new topic. So tomorrow is the session for parents. So any one of you who know about some parents, please do tell them about this show. It's very very important, especially with the smartphone generation जहाँ पे इंस्टाग्राम पे डेटिंग हो रही है, हुकअप्स हो रहे हैं. नॉट सेइंग इट्स बैड, बट इट हैज़ टू बी माइंडफुल. you indulge in something, being mindful about it. ठीक है, तो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर टाइम टुडे. हैव अ ग्रेट डे. बी द फोर्स, बी एम्पावर्ड, बी एजुकेटेड, एंड गुड नाइट.